Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Loise. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning back, thank you so much. So today I'm doing my new house tour, and this is the entrance. It has a small balcony, and this is the only balcony in this house. So this is the living room area. Let me know your ideas. I'm planning to paint this whole house white, then remove all these things they are placed on the wall for your wall hangings. It's spacious, it's very airy,
there's not much to do when no,
and it has these large windows that allows a lot of light during the day. So let me know any suggestion you may be having regarding this living room area, what I may add, what I may remove.
all I can is thinking about you, not doing.
So let's head over to the kitchen, and this is the kitchen. It has this wall beside the door.
Well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not.
This is the whole view of the kitchen. The floors are not tiled, but it's very spacious and airy. It has this large window that allows a lot of light during the day. Let me know your suggestions also, what I may add, what I may remove, but I'm planning to paint the whole kitchen white. Also remove the things they are placed on the walls.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
The countertops are in a bad state. I'm thinking of doing the contact paper, and this is the sink. It has a lot of work, it needs scrubbing, and also I'm thinking of changing the tap faucet. If you know where I can get affordable contact paper, hook me up please.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down.
This is the only storage I'm having in this house, and it is in a bad state. So hook me up with any contact paper because I surely need a lot. And this is the cooker area. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because it's not tiled.
I'm beside you, I would.
Share with me your wonderful ideas regarding this kitchen, and I will appreciate.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right.
So next to the kitchen door, there is this door that is leading to the bedrooms and the washrooms.
But you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
On your left, there is the first bedroom. It's a good size. It has this window that allows a lot of light to, but it doesn't have any storage area, and the floors are not tiled too.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you.
Directly opposite, this is the master bedroom. It's a bit spacious and it has storage, it's airy, it has good lighting.
I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So this is the only storage in this house, and it's also in a bad state. I think it needs painting.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your.
I'm planning to remove the door handles and replace them with new ones, because you can see others are broken.
Voice.
This is a shared bathroom. It has the bathroom and also the toilet. It's also in a bad state. It needs a lot of scrubbing and also painting and a change of things here and there. This is an old house, and the tenant that was here had stayed here for like 15 years. Let me know, should I change the floors, put the mkeka wa mbao on the bathroom floor, and do the wallpaper on the bathroom wall. Has anyone of you done the mkeka wa mbao or the wallpaper in the bathroom? How is it working for you? Let me know down in the comment section. So this is it for this video. If you have come this far, thank you so much. Please subscribe down below. Let me know all your ideas down in the comment section. I will highly appreciate. Bye.
Not sleeping well.